from Tech Portal, and in this video I'm going to show you a small review of the Marshmallow ROM, that is the official Marshmallow updated by Samsung for Samsung Galaxy J7F variant. So in my previous video I was testing that whether I am getting the update or not. The update is around 824.77 MB, and really this is the Marshmallow update. So let's start. So here you can see that I have my J700F. You can check this baseband version and Android version from here directly. So starting with the keys, here you can see the different icons in power off, restart, emergency, and whenever you try to click this, a pop-up will appear like this. And in restart 2, so we have this emergency mode here and the S-Bike mode as we have in the J7. So let's check first the boot animation. So here you can see the different boot animation while our power is switching off. So this is the boot animation updated in Marshmallow ROM. The booting speed is very much improved. It will not take more than 15 seconds to complete the boot. It's really a great improvement. Here you can see the different lock screen. So in the status bar you can see the small icons. It means we can get the notifications as much as we can, around 10 to 15 notifications here directly. I have already rooted my Marshmallow, so I will soon going to upload a video of how to root your Marshmallow devices, so stay updated with my channel. And in my next video I will show you how you can download this Marshmallow ROM if you are not able to download this in your device, because many of you have a rooted device or have a custom device, so it's very difficult to download it. So stay updated with my channel. My next video will be how to download the Marshmallow ROM for J7. So here in the navigation bar nothing has changed, just the color is a little bright, and from here you can easily access your calls, text message and mobile data, whether you want to run it in the SIM 1 or SIM 2. So let me show you. In mobile data you can access it directly from here, and you don't need to click here directly. What you can do is just slide down to access your quick settings easily. So here we have nothing changed: Wi-Fi, location, vibration, portrait. So portrait or auto rotate, it's something different. Bluetooth mobile data is the same, and we have the do not disturb, torch, ultra power sync modes, and nothing has changed. So in the recent panel we have the same this option, but sometimes I not get these lost all options whenever I try to open apps like 4 to 5 apps easily. So here in our application nothing has changed. We have the same A to Z to set our applications, and we have this edit same as of the previous J7, but really the UI has really improved the performance and the battery life. I was using this ROM from around 4 hours. Let me show you. My battery was around 74%, and now you can see I was using it around from 4.5 hours, and the screen timeout is 3 hours and 48 minutes, and really the battery is dropped just 20%. It's really a good improvement. Though I have a rooted device, but I have not set it to any other thing. Let me show you this. Here my minimum is 400 and the maximum is still 1.5 gigahertz. So let's check how much RAM we have. We have around 445 MB of RAM available out of 1.3 GB. Let's check it in applications too. So here we have this memory. So here it is showing 402 MB out of 1.3 GB. It means the average usage is 71, and we have only around I want to tell you that the storage of this is very, here you can see that around 16 GB. I am having 8.14 used of 16 GB. It means I have half of the MB, half of the GB is free. So in settings menu nothing has changed. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, light mode, the applications is sound notification, do not disturb. Now we can schedule. In display we have nothing. Maybe this screen saver, I don't know it's new or not. In advanced features you can have this one-handed operation easily. You can reduce screen size, you can use one-handed mode. What you have to do is just press your 3 times, sorry, and from here directly here you can see that you can access your easily. So if you want to go back, just return to full screen. So if you don't want your one-handed mode, so just tap it 3 times, and whenever you try this, it will not show you any. So it's really impressive. So let's go to home full screen. So here we have quick launch camera, smart alert. In smart alert your device will vibrate whenever you get any notification like your missed calls and messages. Easy mute, whenever you get any incoming call you can just turning the device over to mute it. So in wallpapers you can set your wallpapers easily. Here we have themes. I cannot access it right now because I have already removed all the unnecessary apps from it after root. I will soon make a video of how to root and how you can remove these bloatwares easily. And we have this Chrome home screen feature. And yeah, I want to tell you this, in home screen now you can set grid size easily, like your 5 to 5, 4 5, and here you can see the apps are arranging according to it. I like 5 and 5, so I have set it to a default. So just go back, and we have this easy mode, privacy, nothing has changed, backup and reset, battery, storage. Battery backup is really good in this ROM. Maybe whenever developers are working on its kernel, and you can see that the video is already around 7 minutes and the battery drop down is just 1%. It's really a great improvement for J7 devices. And the apps which you get with this Marshmallow update will also update it in the Marshmallow. And if you don't like this UI, you can change it. And as we have the Marshmallow, you can install this app. I have provided this link. This is the Good Lock app. It is very famous for devices like S7 and S7H, but now we can use it on all Samsung Galaxy devices, which is currently running on stock TouchWiz 6.0. It means you must have a Marshmallow device of Samsung. So just install it and it will change your system UI totally. It will ask you to restart. So here you can see that automatically the device will restart. So just click on OK. So here you can see that the good lock pop-up or after booting is appeared. So just search, so here you can see this, you can access your apps directly from here. Like if you want to access files, just unlock it to access it, and from here we have notifications, and just sliding enter your password. So here we have the home screen, and just sliding down you can, let me remove this first. Here you can see a different UI totally. Even in recent panels too, we have a different UI. Here you can see that just sliding here to remove this, and if you want it to open, so you can directly open it from here. Here we have the settings, really a good, and just sliding here to access all this directly and very fastly. It means you don't need to have to close any application, just press here and from here you can easily access these files easily. So here if you want to keep any type of notification, like if you want to keep this trickster mode just slide left and it will ask you to move to keep. If you really want to set it, don't ask again, set it to keep, and whenever you click on keep, it will show your keep items here. And we have the same, this calls, text, mobile data here. We have the small toggles. From here you can easily access your Wi-Fi, your GPS and many others. So just slide here to make it explode. So here we have nothing different. And in good view, and many of you was also asking that about its performance. I cannot show you its performance actually, but we can do a small benchmarking test by using the Geekbench 3. So I have just downloaded it, so let's just start. There is nothing has totally changed if you compare to Lollipop to Marshmallow in just comparison of performance, but the UI is really changed. Now we can use Good Lock app and many other apps which support only 6.0, and the boot animation and many small things. You can explore it on your own and you can share if you find any new thing in this Marshmallow update in the comments. And you don't have to worry about anything because I'm soon going to upload how to install this ROM, how to root this, the gaming test, any other custom ROMs like S6, S7 ROM and the Note 5 ROMs with the Grace UI. So it means it is of the Note 7. It means that the August month will be only for the J7 custom ROMs and custom kernels. So stay updated with my channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Do it now to get yourself updated. So the testing is already done. So here we are getting quite low score as compared to the other ROMs like A7 port ROM for J7 version 4. We are getting around 690 in single score and 3600, more than 3600 in multi-score. It may be of the stock UI, but developers are still working and I'm soon going to upload custom kernels and new custom ROMs like A7 Marshmallow ROM, and in that I have personally tested that the single score and multi-core score and the performance is really good, and you will also get a good battery backup. So here you can see that our video has already around 10 minutes and I was using it, and only 1 to 2% has dropped down on the heavy usage because I have started it many times. So that's all with this small review with the performance, battery test and the exploration of the UI with the Goodlock. You can download the Goodlock app from the links given below. It is the updated version. So that's all with this. I hope you really like this and stay updated with my channel, and you can follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram. The links are in the description. So as always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.